Igbo ekenekwa mmanụ. So mgbọsị gara aga ka Soludo jee n'ebe ndị civil servant na-alụ ọrụ unannounced, unscheduled, unplanned for. Soludo wee land ya ka ọ sị ka ọma kene ka ndị anụnwa si eme ihe. Ihe anụnwa efe oke Soludo me, I'm in support of it. Yes, I'm very very good in support of it. Kedu nji sị gị na ndị in support of it? Na-enwere ndị ya bụ inye ha ọrụ ha lụọ ha ya ha na-abịa dị ọrụ ha wele ego na-eme ihe dị ha mma. A lot of people ya say Soludo ya make salary in ka na office gị. No, the truth is, if you have decided to agree na ya arụ ọrụ na that government office, you must obey the rules and regulation governing that place. I na asịgodo na government adịrọ mma, you, why can't you start with you for being onye dịgodo mma? At least ima in that your field ahụ na-emete ya na-emetegodi ya mma. Blessed are those people Soludo meet ebe ahụ. It shows that I had dedicated to their work. And to you, you go to government emenka. In a places where you have put Odo Ganya na ijene ya from mother. Ya from mother dear. Man, these people are collecting money to come and serve the public. Man, man no dear. Ebi asegi BH. Obo no onye kwesi imege attend to na jewelebe di amma. How will you feel as if somebody ibutel one nege na ya rono nogo asegi BH na doctor anoria? Listen ask na say just try aseki you renew your passport for drama. We get passport kwesịrị wait and take. International passport kwesịrị wait and take. Everything I go na computer. It's your system app, everything up to just print ya na akwụkwọ engrave ya nye gị ya kepụwa. Aye emegide gị ton for 1 week. Iwele ego na assault mmadụ nọkwa n'office kwesịrị ịlụrụ gị ọrụ malụ fully well this is what they are being paid for. Iwele ego na assault onye so that go wee pụtara bebe alụ ọrụ gị ihe makwa na ịkwụrụ ụgwọ ya, and this money is going to their pocket. On this one, I support Soludo 110%. So, Siko na visit other offices who at least on Ojegulunka, other bodies will now wake up. Ndozo will now wake up. Kahamalo okay, governor Bialeba, onyo mando ya abwechi. And I heard that not suspend the lender 6 months without to pay. My own body for 6 months self situa replace here with those who are willing to work. You can't be complaining no ladron and can wadro ina nka henyele ina photokya. Obumwa situa no use them as an example. Chua no on amount to go, they should not receive their salary. Because in the modern abuse of privileges, abuse of access, they abuse it. They are people, they know why they are being paid for, they know what they are doing. Mandela has a long distance. Soludo now gave instance in a name born Lagos, Nekusi Alolo. Oman only resume 9 o'clock, 6 up Wagolo and I had in order to make sure that no one will tell you on acho. Imagine a distance be excuse. Distance will give excuses if you are not making it. Look for another job and quit the one that you are doing. Ya na alweba at the end of the month ina salary 4 places. Odiro no mma. So the nene the unannounced visit to Soludo melende mmadu kono no kodokwan.
Coming to work 2 hours plus after it's supposed to have started. Well, the person has to make up if it's coming from Onisha and has to be and is not here by 8, then he should leave. Then it's not working for us. And not say where he's coming from. It's the person's choice. Why do you need to take a civil service job if you cannot operate there? What's your nation? What an excuse. That's just what I just said a moment ago. When I worked in Lagos, when I graduated, I woke up 3 hours to the time I was supposed to go to work. And for 2.5 hours, I will be on the road. To be sure that I was seated before 8 o'clock. And when I close, ours will close by 5. You close by 5 and you start going home. Sometimes you will get home the 9 o'clock news. They are finishing the 9 o'clock network news. That's it. You cannot say, it's coming from Onitsha, therefore it's an excuse. If you know you are coming from Onitsha, then you should start getting to work by 5, 6, if that is what you have chosen. Because the regulation is that you must be at work by 8 o'clock. If you choose to come from, maybe you can choose to come from Lokoje, but you must be at your place of work by the time you are supposed to be there. Otherwise, if the work is not convenient for you, you don't find a place to be and so on and so on, you quit, take another job or do something else.
I know them, they know they can't walk. You know them, see, they don't they run. After them, pick on them. Go down.
Say you are the who? Okay. Okay. Then I need to compile them because we're thinning off all this to go for. Unu jue neck going on there. 9, but only 2 now. How many are there supposed to be there?
They're supposed to be 1, 2, 3,
4. What about here? That's nobody. There's nobody here. I mean, I'm talking about after 10 in the morning. After 10 in the morning and they're not yet on seat.
4 of them.
4 of them not yet on seat. Let's go. What are the other 3? They have not got into the office. What you do is to turn those chairs down. That's part of the shipping out that will have to go. Those who haven't come, we're going to shut them off for the remainder of this year. And they will have to go. They'll have to go. If by 10 in the morning, they're not yet shown off for work, they're supposed to be a civil servant, then it means they wouldn't need you. Who is supposed to be there?
She's not supposed to be there. She's not around now.
Who is the person?
Where's the bouncing?
So there are supposed to be 4 of you here,
Yes,
but only 2 of you are here.
3 is here, 2 is here.
Who are the ones here now? You?
No, I'm here.
Where are you? Huh? You are here? And who is there? Nobody is. Okay, you are here. Somebody is here. And so in this whole place, there are supposed to be 4 of you, but there are 2.
Yeah.
There are supposed to be 4, but there are 2.
There are 2.
I want you to be nothing there because those 2 that are not here, we're going to suspend them for the next 6 months. Those who have not come for work, by this time they can go. We don't need them.